Hello, my name is Jim and welcome to the demonstration video of Savant's Business Intelligence or BI module. Our president, Chris Jackson, and the BI team will be highlighting the module's features. Let's go.
Well, welcome everybody. My name is Chris Jackson from Savant Software. Today I'm talking with Tim Judge. Tim is CEO of Agiletics. How are you doing today, Tim?
Hey, doing great, Chris. How are you?
Excellent, excellent. We're so excited to take some time here today. Tim and I wanted to take a moment and record a more detailed overview of Savant's operational BI module powered by Agiletics. Tim, why don't you just get us kicked off here with taking a few minutes and share with us what's different about operational BI over the more agnostic or say basic BI platforms that you see out there today?
Sure, Chris, I'd be happy to. So, over the course of my career in managing supply chain projects, it's really clear that no matter what WMS you're using or have purchased, there are always significant gaps around business intelligence. Companies mention to us time and time again, Chris, that they struggle with inventory visibility, they struggle with labor performance, managing exceptions, and troubleshooting issues in the distribution center. Where most BI tools on the market, as you mentioned, today are built from scratch, our solution was built with a supply chain focus from the ground up to address these specific challenges that they're seeing in the distribution center. Why don't we take a minute and jump right in and show you our solution?
Great.
So the first part of the solution here is executive or management geared dashboard. It's going to show inbound, outbound, KPIs, labor planning, labor productivity, inventory forecasting, and order information. These sections of the dashboard are interactive and configurable, and will hit your data to kind of inform you where you are in your operations and benchmark you against industry KPIs and corporate goals. So it's nice that we can configure this dashboard to kind of suit the user that will be using it. So if you're an inbound person, you can view inbound stuff. If you're an outbound person, you can view outbound stuff. Bennett, you want to show them adding and removing a module from the dashboard?
Sure. So it's very easy to pull in a new module to the dashboard. Just add it like so. You can order things however you like. And then just save your changes.
So the next section that we want to demo is our status checks section. This area of the application helps you monitor for exceptions, helps you monitor other business processes within your operation. So this is where we're going to be looking for pallets that have been left in a staging location for too long, for inventory issues, for item issues that are going to impact our picking and our warehousing operations. These are, again, configurable, so we can show and hide the checks that we need to see. We can adjust the thresholds for the red, green, yellow sort of alarm level, and then we can also configure these to actually email and alert key users when a data condition is met. So then the third area we want to look at are our querying sections of the application. So often you're trying to troubleshoot issues, understand what employees did during the day, figure out what happened to that item or what happened to that pallet, and all that data is captured by the WMS and it's behind the scenes. So we developed a really intuitive interface to be able to search by a whole number of different types of filters in a dynamic way, and to choose what we want to return, and then and kind of build that query from a business perspective. So this requires no IT requests to get at the underlying data from the WMS application.
One of the things that I've heard and read repeatedly is all too often in today's environment, we've seen from ARC, Warehouse Education Research Council, and others have made statements that we're creating data like we've never created it before, but we're still not able to present that data in the time fashion and in the presentation model, or layer that gives that executive manager the ability to make a quick decision. Just last week, I saw a study that showed over 75% of warehouse managers and above queried on or questioned on their ability to make a decision in under 24 hours based on the information that they had. Greater than 75% asked said they didn't have that ability. Their system captured the information, but they weren't able to make that decision based on the information they had, or pull that information out, make that decision under 24 hours. And it's awesome to have a solution like this, not only out of the box, that gives us the look and feel and the feature functionality that we need, but then when we need to add things to it, they're sitting in the background ready and waiting to be activated.
Another section we want to show off is our map section. So the application has the ability to take information, transactional information from the WMS, and map it to a geographic location. So for this example, we have order density mapped across the United States to show where we're sending our orders to different clients. We could do the same thing with purchase orders. We could do the same thing with shipments. So there's some fun, innovative technology that we're using to really leverage the underlying hidden data behind the WMS. And the map section is interesting because your executives can actually use this to help judge where your density for your different orders are, and help maybe decide if you want to open up another distribution center, say for instance in Indiana with this data set. We could also highlight aging orders to see if there's a certain area of the country that are not being serviced as well as other areas of the country. So there's some more strategic sort of problems that can be solved by mapping a data set over a set of the map of the United States.
Thank you everyone for taking the time to watch this. There's obviously much more feature functionality we could go through. As you can see on the side here, slotting and other information that we can get into on a more one-on-one demo. Any questions at all, please give me an email, chris.jackson@savantwms.com, and we'll get that one-on-one demo set up for you. Thanks.
Thank you for watching Savant's video series. For more information, you can contact us by phone at 602-906-3047, by email, info@savantwms.com, or visit our website, www.savantwms.com.